Super excited for this month's Ipsy bag. Oh my god, we have a collaboration with Betty Boop. Super obsessed with Betty. And look at the different bag we received this month. It's a beautiful, like, what is this, baby pink? Gorgeous. So I don't know if this is how the bag is gonna look from now on. Discover yourself, Ipsy. What do you prefer? The one we received before that was like that magenta, or this one? I love this one. And I'm not only gonna show you the 5 products that they usually send, but I also added 3 add-ons. Like I said, I'm obsessed with Betty Boop. They did raise the price for this monthly subscription. If you're not aware, I believe it was like $10. Now the Ipsy will be $2 more, so it's like $12 or whatever it is with tax. Have the option to keep it like $10 a month if you paid like a year full, but I didn't do it. So let's look at the beautiful bag that we have this month. Look at her, isn't she just the cutest? This is what the bag looks like. It's just her face, her beautiful eyes, those lashes, and then in the back we just have this beautiful just like sequins. It doesn't feel like super cheap or anything. It's nice. You have here the little bee for Betty. Nice bag to have in the collection. And the theme of this month is just called Flaunt It. Don't forget, the choice is yours. We do Ipsy try-ons, so I am going to be testing out all the products that I have received today. If you like that, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And by the way, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. So one of the things that I received is by the brand Belief, and this is the True Creme Aqua Balm. I believe last month or 2 months ago I received another thing from Belief, which is this, and this is the moisturizing eye balm. I've been obsessed. When I saw that I was getting this, I was very happy. I really like this brand for like sensitive skin. This is an oil-free moisturizer. It says Belief creates healthy skincare by merging time-tested herbal traditions with modern Korean skincare. This oil-free gel cream boosts your skin's moisture levels up to 70%, and it's made with healthy ingredients like plantain and oak husk that protect, nourish, and smooth skin. You get a really nice amount. This is 0.33 ounces. The packaging is really cute, and I love like Aqua or gels, anything oil-free like that for my face because I'm extremely oily. I get clogged pores, so this sounds amazing. The smell, oh my god, to die for. It feels really nice. I'm telling you, it smells phenomenal, like a nice luxury spa. See, I haven't tried it, but I'm just telling you that it smells really good. The ingredients sound really good, and I really like the brand. The thing I received here is a lip scrub, and this is by Kismet Buff, and it's the Sugar Lip Scrub. This says bright and bubbly, all natural, paraben-free, cruelty-free. I did try to open this up, and it smells to die for. I really never use lip scrubs, to be honest. I get like goosebumps when something smells like too amazing, and that's what I'm getting right now. I guess let's just take an amount like this. Let's see. Oh wow. That feels amazing. I would prefer to do this like before I have foundation and everything, just so I don't rub anything off. Matte Buff Sugar Lip Scrub in Bright and Bubbly. This lip scrub will help your lipstick last longer and look better thanks to the exfoliating sugar crystals, moisturizing shea butter, and restorative vitamin C. Here's to the sweet pink. That's what it is. Pink champagne flavor. I wouldn't have guessed that. We can't resist reapplying every chance we get. It really feels extremely moisturizing. It's not rough at all. You do feel like the sugar crystals. I'll wipe this off. The lips feel really nice. You're into lip scrubs, this one smells to die for. I feel like it gives like a plumping effect, you know, because you were just scrubbing your lips. I don't know. Also received a highlighter. I don't really receive a lot of highlighters, which I have in my profile that I'm obsessed with highlight. glad they did this time. And this is by Space Case Cosmetics highlighter and from Space 1E. This is what the packaging looks like. Pretty cute, totally like spaced out. This is vegan and cruelty free. It does remind me so much of the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow highlighters that I have reviewed as well in Flexitarian Money. This looks exactly like it's the same packaging, I'm telling you. So you open this up and this is what it looks like. It says, looking for radiance right this way. This highlighter gives you a natural looking, lit from within glow. The silky formula blends gorgeously into your skin, and the shimmery mauve shade, okay, it's wonders on all skin tones. Animal lover, this baby is 100% cruelty free. It's using your fingertips. I think that you would use your fingertips just like the ColourPop one. Tap some of this highlighter onto your brow bone, chin, nose, cheekbones, and the inner corners of your eyes. Just see how it feels. Oh my god. Wow. That is crazy. Look at that. First, let's swatch. So you see that? It looks beautiful. See a lot of shimmer or glitter, which is a plus in my book. So I'm just gonna apply some like up here and see how well it blends. Ooh, that is insane. Wow, this is gorgeous. So if you've tried the ColourPop, love this. I don't think it's like the best shade, at least not for me. It's very like a ashy type, I would say. Like golden, this is not golden at all. It would be beautiful like for inner corner highlight. I'm not gonna put that on my nose because if you know I'm oily, I don't do that. So I'm like in the Cupid's bow. But this is gorgeous. I'm really glad I received this. The color is just not my favorite. I've also received this double-sided eyeshadow brush, and this is from a brand that I've never received from them before. It feels really nice and luxurious. This is by the brand Crown Brush CB202 Pro Fizzle Fluff and Precision Crease Brush. Crown Brush is a global leader to the brush making business. This dual-ended shadow brush has both fluffy and pointy tips, so you can apply shadows all over, blend into your eye crease, and add dimension with one multitasking tool. This actually looks good to me, like to pack on the color. Switch to the pointy side, I guess, to like add dimension. You can add here or maybe like down like a pencil brush, you know. We are definitely going to put this to the test. I did pick this as an add-on collab with Betty Boop. This is what it looks like. I don't have the name because it's not in what I was receiving. I just added this on, and I believe I added it on for like $3 extra. You could, I believe, add 3 things to your bag, or maybe they increased it now, but for what I remember it was 3. This feels so soft. I would say it would be great to just like blend, to pack on the color. This will blend it out. This is to like intensify, very precise application. It's cute. I don't think it's like the best thing. I wish you had like maybe Betty's face or the silhouette, something, you know, just like a bee and hearts, but it's still cute. It's still cute. Also received this here, which I added from the Betty Boop X Ipsy, is this lip gloss. And this, I believe, was also $3. I wanted to add the liner that they had as a collaboration, but it was sold out. This one, I'm trying to read it because it's so small. If I can't read it, I'm sorry, but read it. It's like super, super tiny. But this looks like a beautiful gloss. Oh, that smells fantastic. I feel like all the Ipsy things that I received, like lip-wise, smell great and like very similar. Just smells so sweet. Nice, full size. I'm gonna swatch it here. It's definitely like my kind of shades. I do play around more with color in my lips when I'm like doing makeup tutorials, but for like the regular day, I love stuff like this. Just like a beautiful sheer. A little bit of glitter. You can't feel it though. I will be applying it, but let's go ahead and start playing with these eyes. Let me show you what we're gonna be using for the eyes. This was the last add-on. This is the Betty Boop eyeshadow palette. I just had to. Even if I wasn't obsessed with the colors, I just had to because I love her. That's So Betty eyeshadow palette. I love the silhouette here. Go ahead and open this up. Colors are Champagne Shimmy, Quite the Coquette, Eye Candy, Jitterbug, Bee's Knees, Flip Your Lid, Dare to Bear, and Up past midnight. Open this up. This is very pretty. So your fingerprints are going to be all over here because of packaging is, but let's go ahead and look at the inside. It's $12. I'm mad at it. I really like it. For what it looks like here, it looks like you only get like 2 or 3 matte shades, these here, but I don't know. We'll definitely swatch them. To start with the first shade, I want to swatch it for you so you can see. Oh, okay, look very beautiful. It has a nice pigment to it, nothing too crazy as of now. Start with the next shade, which is a nice gold. Let me swatch it right next to it. This one looks like a beautiful lavender. Oh, that looks great. We'll see how well they work on the eyes though. So it's really light. I love lavender shades. This darker purple here. Let's see. That's really nice. They're coming out a little chalky, but nothing too crazy. To put this one all over the lid, it looks gorgeous. I really like when they put a matte shade that you can put all over the lid. You can't see it a lot, and that's perfect for all over the lid. Then we have this beautiful plum color here. I'm gonna put it here. Have another beautiful color. You know why I think I like this so much? Because it's gearing more towards like cool tones, and that's like all me right there. I die for cool tones. So there you go. We have this one here. Ooh, that looks great. Okay, so these are the swatches. But now it's time to put them to the test. Of course, I'm going to prime the lids. Do get a nice mirror too, so that's a plus. It does have like a film, so that's why it looks like that. I'm using my favorite one at the moment to prime, which is the Anastasia Eyeshadow Primer. Free to skip this step. Try to use as many shades as possible. I said the first shade I'm going to use is this one here, all over the lid. How well that applied, honestly. This shadow here, put it like on the crease. I really like how that looks. Completely forgot. We have to use this Betty Boop to blend this out. Let's see how well it works. Oh, that feels so nice and soft. Do want to pack on this color here right next to it. Use this crown brush. Oh, it really feels nice. Try to pack it right next to it. Oh, that color looks so good. I'm not taking it all the way in because I'm trying to play with as many colors as possible, so I'll use another color there. This brush is working beautifully to pack on the color. Now with the other side that we haven't touched, I want to go in with this beautiful color here. Let's put that right there. I'm going to use my finger to just deepen this up. Go back with this purple shade and just deepen that outer corner and drag it up to just blend everything together. I'm gonna take this side of the crown brush and I'm gonna dip into that purple, deep purple here, and just like the lower lash line. Of course, I have to dip into this shade here that looks so gorgeous. And I'm just gonna use this little MAC brush, put that like in the inner corner. I really love the shade combinations of this palette. It did apply very nicely. Nothing looks like chalky. Let me also go ahead and apply this lip gloss. So it looks nice. Obviously, if you don't like glitter, you're not gonna like this. Feel it though. Alright, I wouldn't say I die for it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, add some lashes, and be right back so we see the finished look. So this is what the eyes look with eyeliner. I threw on some lashes from AliExpress, so I believe that this palette is worth the $12, especially if you love Betty Boop. This is just a nice, you know, collector item. I have here is the Betty Boop mascara, since I did pop on some lashes, and this is not waterproof. I am going to put them in my lower lashes so we can see what they look like, because if you're new to my channel, I love waterproof. If it's not waterproof, just wear them in my lower and see how it works. So really nice brush. I'm just going to apply this. I like the wand on this a lot. You can tell the difference. Not the best shape like to work under the eyes. This one, this is how I would have liked the packaging on everything to be, like that. It says is the Betty Boop X Ipsy Blink and Wink mascara, so that's what this is called, Blink and Wink. And it says introducing a limited edition collection in partnership with iconic beauty muse Betty Boop. This lash lengthening formula give your lashes a dramatic lift. Separated and defining. I do see in the bottom they did separate, define. They're not like sticking together at all. And it says it doesn't smudge easily and lasts all day without flaking. We love it for a long night out. Did try to put several add-ons so you guys can see more of the products. Since I knew I was just getting this in my bag, I wanted to add like more things from the Betty collection. So what was your favorite item? What did you receive in this month's Ipsy from the Betty Boop collection? Did you like it? Were you disappointed? This video, thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.